Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in today's video. Today's video is going to be a rather short one, but today I'm going to be replacing the windshield molding trim on my Kia Stinger. All right, so the reason I am replacing it is because mine is all dry rotted here. As you can see, that's all the way top to bottom. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do to take this off is there's a little hook here that's this trim, so you can just kind of just pull it out like that. Then there is a clip down in this portion, which goes underneath, so you take your pry tool and just push it in there and it pops right off. And take your hand up underneath, pull until you feel the friction where you can't get your fingers up underneath, and then pull at a 45-degree angle that way, and then it just pops out. And then you just kind of keep on going up. Keep on coming up. You can use a bar if you want, or you can just use your hand like I am. It's super simple. I just grab and then pull, pops on out. All right, now to install it, it is simple as putting it in. So you're just going to line up your top one up here and just kind of don't push it in all the way. Just kind of snap it in, and then at the bottom, hook that portion in first and then pull it back. And it's snug, and then now just tap it all the way down. And there you go. That's quick and easy how to replace the molding trim. Now let's go do the passenger side. Alrighty, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. So my final thoughts is super simple, super easy to do. Just be careful when you are taking it apart, because on my passenger side, when I was taking it off, it did break and I had to remove it from the clips on that side. So if you are using this as a guide to take these off to color wrap or paint to match your car, just be careful when you're taking it off. Because if it breaks, you can't use it again. Anyway, but super simple, super easy. If you want to pick up some for yourself to replace, I'll have a link in the description from some Kia parts store. The number's down there too, so if you just want to look it up yourself, feel free to. Or I'll also have, if you need some prime tools like I used in this video, I'll have that link in the description as well. But anyway, if you guys like this content or any other of my content, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, put on notifications. It all helps me out tremendously. But yep, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.